Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So this is my third look for Navratri makeup series and it's a very easy look guys. ये glitter देख के डर मत जाना कि ये काफ़ी difficult लग रहा है, नहीं बिल्कुल भी difficult नहीं है, it's very easy. So yeah, if you want to know how to create this look then please keep on watching. So I'm going to begin with priming my face, and today I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer. This primer does not smell that great, but I really like how it hydrates my skin. So the next primer that I'm going to apply is the Professional Primer by Benefit. If you guys are wondering where is this ring from, it's from West Side. It's such a pretty ring. And these jhumkis are from an Insta store called Anokhi Accessories. Now let's apply foundation, and today I'm going to apply L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This one is in the shade 107. Okay, and with this foundation I'm going to mix my Anastasia Liquid Glow Face Highlighter in the shade Peach Fizz. Today I'm using PAC's Spotlight Ready Liquid Concealer in the shade Beige. And I'm going to apply this concealer under my eyes and on the highest points of my face. And also on my eyelids. So I'm going to set my concealer with Maybelline's Fit Me powder in the shade Light Medium number 20. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to use my NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation. And this one is in the shade Golden. For my blush, where's my blush? Yes, I'm going to go in with my Tarte's Blush Bazaar palette, and I'm going to apply this blush. It's called Dainty, which is this one. I'm using this highlighter today, which is called Whimsical. Okay, so let's move on to eye makeup. So today I'm using ColourPop's Chasing Rainbows eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. It is such a pretty palette. Yep, eyeshadow palette milta nahi. I think it was limited edition, but you can use कौन से भी colors that you have. I'm sure काफ़ी palettes में आजकल ऐसे colors मिलते हैं. So first I'm going to go in with Vogue eyeshadow. and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. I'm just applying it a little bit above my crease. I'm just pulling it like this, so we get like a nice wash of color. And now I'm going to go in with WISHLIST. So I'm going to mainly focus this shadow on my outer corner and then pull it inwards. Now I'm going to take ColourPop's Supernova shadow in the shade Prelude. I don't know if it's still available, but it's a really pretty color. I'm going to first take it on my hand like so, and now I'm going to take my flat shader brush, take a little bit on my brush, not too much. We are going to build up this shadow little by little and start applying on the 3/4 area of my lid, starting from the center. आजकल ग्लिटर के बिना मेकअप ही करना पसंद नहीं आता. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to apply this same eyeshadow. For my eyeliner and for my waterline, I'm going to go in with L'Oreal's gel eyeliner in the shade Sapphire Blue. पहले मैंने यहाँ पे ना अपने waterline पर पैक का ये पेंसिल अप्लाई किया था. उनका ये कौन सा है, long lasting कोल पेंसिल in the shade Skin, but it wasn't looking that great, so फिर मैंने ये वाला जेल eyeliner अप्लाई किया अपने waterline पे and it's looking really nice. I'm going to apply like a thick liner today. Let's apply mascara now, and today I'm going to apply MAC's in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. So for my lip color, I'm going to mix these two shades today. This one is KIKO's Velvet Passion Matte Lipstick in number 329. And then on top of this lipstick, I'll apply NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Milan. And I'm just going to blot the excess lipstick. And now just in the center, I'm going to apply NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Milan, just a little bit, because I'm really liking this lipstick. and I'm going to set my makeup with Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist. So this tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you liked this makeup look, and if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.